Imagine this. You walk into your kitchen, coffee in hand, and see a trail of muddy paw prints courtesy of your furry friend. The traditional mop and bucket routine seems endless. But what if there was a faster, easier way to get your floors sparkling clean? Enter the Shark S7001 Steam Mop, a powerful cleaning machine that combines scrubbing, sanitization, and convenience in one sleek package. Intrigued? Keep reading to see if the Shark Mop is your key to a cleaner, more hygienic home. Scrubbing Powerhouse meets Steam Sanitizer. Forget the days of wrestling with stubborn stains. The Shark Mop boasts a dynamic duo, powerful steam and rotating scrub pads. This innovative combination tackles even the toughest messes, leaving your hard floors looking and feeling brand new. Here's the magic. Steam power. Superheated steam loosens dirt and grime, making them easier to remove. This translates to effortless cleaning, especially for everyday spills and light messes. Rotating scrub pads. These soft scrub pads gently buff away dirt and stains, while the automatic scrubbing action over 150 scrubs per minute saves you time and effort. Shark claims the mop removes up to 2x better stuck-on stains compared to traditional steam mops. Sounds impressive, right? But is it true? We'll get to that in a bit. But first, let's talk about the sanitizing power. Chemical-free clean with a peace of mind. If you're looking for a more hygienic clean, the Shark Mop might be your hero. The steam function eliminates 99.9% of bacteria according to Shark studies conducted under controlled conditions. This makes it a great choice for pet owners, families with young children, or anyone who prioritizes a sanitized home environment. Here's the catch. While steam cleaning offers significant benefits, it's important to note that it doesn't replace traditional disinfection methods for heavily contaminated areas. Now, back to the scrubbing power claim. Unfortunately, independent verification of Shark's claim is limited. However, user reviews generally praise the mop's cleaning performance, especially for everyday messes and light stains. For tougher, stuck-on grime, you might need to make a few passes with the mop. Beyond the basics, features to enhance your cleaning experience. The Shark Mop isn't just about power, it's about convenience too. Here are some additional features that make this steam mop a user favorite. 3 steam modes. Choose from light, normal, and deep settings depending on the cleaning task. This allows for versatility and control over the cleaning intensity. LED headlights illuminate those dark corners and baseboards, ensuring you don't miss a spot. Swivel steering effortlessly maneuver around furniture and tight spaces for a more thorough clean. Washable pads. The soft scrub pads are reusable and machine washable, saving you money and reducing waste. Is the Shark Mop Steam Mop right for you? If you're looking for a powerful and convenient way to clean your hard floors, the Shark Mop is worth considering. Here's a quick recap. Pros. Powerful steam and scrubbing action tackles dirt and grime effectively. Chemical-free sanitization eliminates 99.9% of bacteria according to Shark. Versatile with 3 steam modes for different cleaning needs. User-friendly features like LED headlights and swivel steering. Washable pads for cost-effectiveness and reduced waste. Cons. Limited independent verification of the 2x scrubbing power claim. Might require multiple passes for heavily soiled areas. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your cleaning needs and budget. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and see if the Shark Mop is the perfect match for your sparkling clean dreams. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.